Hi children, today we are going to do some activities from workbook. I request you to open your workbook page number 11. Okay, page number 11. See, read the statements and write if they are true or false. First activity is true or false. There are some statements you have to identify whether it is true or false. Okay. See, first one, Goddess Athena was very beautiful. Goddess Athena was very beautiful. Is it true or false? Yes, Goddess Athena was very beautiful, right? That is true. First one is true. And Medusa was very kind and humble. Was she kind, Medusa? No, she was not kind. She was always boosting herself, right? She was not kind and humble. So, Medusa was very kind and humble. Second statement, that is false. First statement true, second one false, and third one, Goddess Athena was very proud of her beauty. Goddess Athena was very proud of her beauty. Goddess Athena. No, that is false. But Medusa was proud of her beauty, but Goddess Athena was not proud of her beauty, right? So, Goddess Athena was very proud of her beauty. That is false. Third statement is false. Okay. Next, Medusa wanted a temple to be built to honor her beauty. Medusa wanted a temple to be built to honor her beauty. Medusa wanted to build a temple for her beauty. Is it true or false? True. She said in such a way, right? She wanted to, in future, people wanted to build a temple for her beauty, right? That is true. Fourth statement is true. And the Parthenon was the largest temple of Athena. Is it true or false? The Parthenon was the largest temple of Athena. True, right? Parthenon was the temple of Athena, goddess Athena, right? True. So first one true, second one false, third one false, fourth one true, fifth one also true. Okay. See, the second activity, choose the correct option to complete the sentences. See, there are some sentences given. 3 sentences are there, and for each sentences are incomplete, and to complete that sentence we have to complete those sentences we have to choose the correct option. For each sentences there are 4 options are given. Okay, we have to choose the correct option. Medusa lived in a place called, first option, Athens in Greece, Athens in France, Greece in Athens, Athens in Africa. Where did she live? What is the right answer? Athens in Greece, or Athens in France, or Greece in Athens, or Athens in Africa. She lived in Athens in Greece, right? Medusa lived in a place called Athens in Greece. And people around Medusa were tired of her dash. People were tired of her something. What she was doing always. See the first option. Beauty, hair, fair skin, boastful nature. Beauty, hair, fair skin, boastful nature. Yes, of course she had beauty, hair, fair skin, but what those people they didn't like? Her boastful nature, right? People around Medusa were tired of her boastful nature, in the sense always saying proudly about her beauty, right? That boastful nature That is the answer. Fourth one is the answer. First one, Athens in Greece. First one. First option is the right answer. Next, second one, fourth option, boastful nature. That is the right answer. Tick there. Okay. Goddess Athena believed that. What did goddess Athena believed? Beauty does not comfort the sick. Beauty can change the world. Beauty can help people. Beauty can feed the hungry. What did she believe? Goddess Athena. First option, beauty does not comfort the sick. Second option, beauty can change the world. Third option, beauty can help people. Fourth option, beauty can feed the hungry. What did Goddess Athena believe? Goddess Athena believed that beauty does not comfort the sick. Right. Beauty does not comfort the sick. It is not a solution for every problems. Beauty, right? Beauty cannot change the world, and beauty cannot help the poor peoples, and beauty cannot feed anyone. Right? So, beauty does not comfort the sick. That is the right answer. First one. First option is the right answer. Tick there. Okay. Goddess Athena believed that beauty does not comfort the sick. See, these two activities you have to complete in your workbook. Okay, page number 11. I will send these answers along with this video and complete it neatly and take a photo and send to me. Okay, this is your today's homework.